Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just going on to XRP. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big of the CoinsKid crew. So yesterday I did notice a little bear pennant here for XRP. I think after I made the video, I was looking at the chart and I could notice a little bear pennant, and I said to the CoinsKid crew, you know, with confidence of the fact that what we've got here is a 702 fib and this retracement and a technical target of a bear pennant, I'll be putting bids down here and I'm looking for a big boy bounce into this low resistance just there. So far so good. We've had a nice little bounce. We actually wicked down below that technical target and bounced off to 786. I'll go through the charts with you in a moment. But one thing I want to show you is for the S&P 500, let me take a look right now. So the S&P 500 yesterday made an all-time high, and this has not come as any surprise to me because I've been looking at this for a very long time. This perfect setup for the big blow off top here, which is adding confluence to my, my analysis that I think we are in a blow off top phase of a broader cycle for crypto. Okay, this is why we're seeing a lot of projects absolutely bolt at the moment, and really push up out of nowhere, because I think we're in this sort of risk blow off top environment right now. With the DXY breaking down as well. So we'll look at the DXY with you. But I remember that it's sort of despair and depression and the naysayers and people saying you're wrong and things like that, just like they are now, for the XRP chart and the XRP videos. But one thing to remember at the moment, XRP has not lost any structure, just like this particular chart, which I relayed at the time, has not lost any structure at that point either. So there was a beautiful little bullish divergence on the hourly time frame, which I relayed to you like an absolute boss. This has played out and we've made the all-time high here. So this particular leg here is adding confidence to my theory that I think we're in a blow-off top phase of a broader cycle for crypto and risk, So we need to keep an eye on this chart going forward. At the moment, I think you're in a technical target of a new impulsive move here for this particular chart, and I'm expecting this level here to be at around about 5865 for the S&P 500. Now I've had this particular target for a very long time. So why was I bullish on the S&P 500 when everyone was really bearish? It was really simple. It was data, not emotion. This is something I relayed to you. So this particular signal here, the golden cross, the 20 and 55 EMA golden cross, okay, this was a signal I relayed to you way back when. I think it was May, wasn't it, when we printed this? April, May of 2023. I said to you it's a very bullish statement. We're looking back at historical data right there for the S&P 500. This particular signal has not failed this chart since the 50s. So technically we should be holding this low and breaking this high, and that's exactly what we did yesterday. So far so good. If we continue this beautiful move here for the S&P 500, I think there's a chance here that XRP, Bitcoin and all those crypto projects go on, okay, and just follow suit basically. So we'll keep an eye on it as best as we can. But let's dive into the XRP chart right now, okay? So remember, way back here, Alessio was starting to call for a bear market, but I countered that. I debunked that theory with data, not emotion, and boom, we've made an all-time high here for the S&P 500. Let's dive into the XRP chart right now and see what we can see, okay? Looking at XRP on the hourly time frame, we have bounced off of 786 here. Went a little bit deeper than I anticipated, to be honest with you. There was a bear pennant here that I noticed as soon as I made the video. We were compressing towards the apex of a bear pennant, and at that point I did give a technical target of the bear pennant for the CoinsKid crew to put some bids on. We came down, adding confidence to my analysis that we would start to come back up. So I got some bids filled on the 702, and then boom, we started to come back up here. So there's a bit of a god candle breakout just there. You see this breakdown for the XRP chart? We broke down just there, so I expect that to be tested, and I think if we start to take that out at 0.5582, I think we could start a run to that green line around about 62 cents, or I expect us to get rejected again. And this is just part and parcel of this big ascending triangle. So there's your first point of support, there's your first point of resistance. This will be your secondary level of support, which is a higher low. At this point, if we start to retrace and take out this resistance, I expect us to run and get rejected at that point again. If we do start to see that, we come back and make another higher low, and then we go again. I expect us to break that on the third point of resistance, just like we did in the summer, and I keep relaying this to you. So far we have seen a beautiful reaction off this low here, and we obviously need to maintain that going forward. So if we are in this big reversal pattern, this is what it should look like over the next few weeks, okay? If we start to see this, I'm going to start to go, and I'm joking, I'm not really going to start to go in my life savings, but I will take a big leverage position on XRP right there, because I think we're just doing exactly what we did in the summer, and we're going to get paid again against the herd mentality. So I wish everyone the most luck. But on the daily, if we could print today's chart like this, let me show you. I've posted this for the Twitter crew and the CoinsKid crew this morning. If you do print this particular candle like this is called a bullish divergence, and what we've got here is a low like that, and then the RSI we've got a high low. Do you see that? So we've got a bullish divergence which is beginning to emerge here for the XRP chart. So it's all about breaking here, holding this support and starting to come back up. If I'm correct, what we've got is a level of resistance. We've drawn down to the 786, and right now we should come up into the same resistance, draw back down again into the 786, and then we get compressed, and we're looking for an ascending triangle here over a long period of time. A big reversal pattern, compression towards the apex, and then we break to the upside, and that's it. We've got a big move accompanied with the risk breakout that I'm looking at across the board right there for the crypto market. So I wish everyone the most luck. I'll get a Bitcoin video out as quickly as I can, okay? Hope you enjoyed the update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on XRP. Bye bye.